All right, I received more parts in the mail, so we're gonna get this thing all finished up like we talked about. Tarachi sent out some plus 30mm offset wheel spacers to kick the back end out just a little bit so it matches the front a little bit better. And then at the same time, we also are working on putting in the gear reduction. All this stuff is gonna be done before Mud Bash, which is only, I think, 13 days away. So let's go ahead and jump into these boxes and see what we're looking at. All right, we'll do this gear reduction first. See what we get in the box. So it's 20% gear reduction. Very easy to do. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's very quick, very simple, but how they achieve this is, I would imagine they they made them different sizes, right? And they added teeth and subtracted teeth to change the actual gear into the machine. Comes in pretty handy. It's crazy how these gears work. A lot more or less strain on parts. And then what do we got in this box? Yes. All right, so here you go. Plus 30mm offset. Should work great. Basically, if you guys have never used a wheel spacer, these go on in place of where your tires are. You take these nuts and you lock them down in, and then you put your wheel on these actual studs, and what it does is it kicks your machine out just enough to make it square again. So pretty excited about these, so let's go ahead and knock these out first. So just take and unthread these. All right, completely optional step here. I just do this. I run just the tiniest little bead of thread lock. Do I think they would come off? Probably not, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It doesn't hurt nothing to put it on there, you know what I'm saying? And it'll self-align, which is nice. One, two, three, four. Give them a once over with a ratchet to make sure they're no shit tight where you want them. All right, we are finished up with the 30mm wheel spacers from Tarachi, and I will say they are probably spot on. Tarachi's definitely right. I think 30mm is perfect to square all the corners up and make it just look right. So side profile shot, you can tell they look pretty well aligned. Yeah, much better. She's sitting all square now. Looks good. Back spacing is not too bad. I feel like your rotor and your brake are still protected inside the wheel, which is nice. You can't even really tell. So definitely happy with that. I think that looks really good. Definitely squares everything up. No complaints there. They've been running them for a while too. They say that they hold up with zero issues, so I definitely believe them. But yeah, that's the wheel spacers. So let's hop into the gear reduction. So yeah, I just changed all the fluid on this. I'm going to lean it to the side. All right, now that we got the machine on a heavy lean, go ahead and take your side panel off and your seat off. We're gonna remove this 13mm and this 13mm here. This whole brake pedal will slide to the side, giving us access to this cover. Make sure this is clean before you take it off. All right, now you're gonna take these bolts and you're gonna remove them. All right, when that's loose, hold that there. And all we're gonna do is take this spring off. Plenty of room, no need to bleed the brakes. All right, go ahead and cut the zip tie that sits here and sits here. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna blow this all out with compressed air because you don't want any of this dirt going down inside of this case whenever you take it off. So go ahead and get it as clean as possible. Then we're gonna take an 8mm and we're gonna take off all these 8mm bolts all the way around. Got a tab here, Try to pull equally to get this cover off. Remember, try not to get it dirty. I'm just going to take and set it right there. All right, we are ready to take these gears off. Something to help you out. You're going to go ahead and put the machine in neutral, and you'll come in here and you'll wiggle this, and it should slide right out. Yep, just like that. This is your OEM gear. We're going to go ahead and just set that to the side for right now. Now we're going to grab our 30 millimeter nut. Remember, this does have a bunch of Loctite on it, so it will fight you coming off just a little bit. And then we'll pull that gear off, clean up the Loctite, put the new gears on, re-Loctite, and tighten it down and torque it. Slide completely off, just like that. All right, both of our OEM gears are off. We have got the threads all cleaned up. We're going to reverse the process. We're going to slide our Tarachi gear on first like that. Orange thread lock. And now we're going to go ahead and run it down, and then we're going to torque it to 147 foot-pounds. That one has been torqued. We're going to go ahead, righting facing out, and we're going to install the lower gear. Nice and gentle, making sure you don't mess your gasket up. Remember, all of this stuff has places it's supposed to fit nice and snug. So you're going to tighten this in a crisscross pattern to make sure you set the gasket up just the way you're supposed to. Nice and gentle, don't over torque them. With our hand, same thing. Give them a hand snug. Don't forget your spring. All right, the cover is back on, the brake's back on, bolts are tightened, spring's back on. Everything looks to be smooth. What I'm thinking, last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna double check servicing, make sure it's as full as it should be. I did lose just a little bit when I took the cover off, so be mindful of that. Make sure you guys top that back off after you're done. Now you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna put your plastic back on, your seat back on, and that's literally all it's to it, guys. Super simple, super easy. All right, that is it. We are fully done being serviced. Gear reduction is in. Everything feels smooth, no leaks, no worries. We got the spacers all the way in. Hopefully you guys can see that. Standing real nice now. Completely square in the front and in the rear. She's got a real mean stance to her. Not worried about breaking as many parts with that gear reduction now, which is sick. Gonna save a lot of things, right? Clutch is gonna be able to work better. Less strain on the whole drivetrain, your CV joints, your diffs, your axles. Everything's gonna get less strain because of that gear reduction, and we're gonna have way more torque. Like I said, the only thing you might lose is a little bit of high end. I don't know that. It's just a suspicion, considering that the way the gears are designed is 20%. But these gears and these tires, I have a feeling I'm gonna be able to dominate the down low grunt, the real thick mud, the coming up out of holes, the ditch banging. It's going to be phenomenal for that. I'm like I've always said, I'm not much of a skimmer. I just don't care for it much, but for this kind of stuff, I'm ecstatic. I think it's going to stand right up, no problem. These tires are lighter. The gear reduction is better. I should be able to convert way more power into usable torque now. So pretty stoked about it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. She's about ready to go for Mud Bash. Hope to see all you guys there. Like I said, we're going to be giving out a bunch of merch, a bunch of free stuff. We'll be rolling around actually with Tarachi a little bit, so that'd be kind of cool. A little meet and greet if you guys see him out there, say hi. But yeah, hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Hopefully it helped. Look forward to seeing you guys, if not at an event, in the next video.